Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, swipe down from the top of your screen to pull down your notifications, and then swipe down once more to extend the list of visible toggles. Here we're looking for the Do Not Disturb toggle, which if it's not located on the first page, you could swipe to the left and this will show you second page where it looks like it's located for me. I believe this is the default location of it, so you should find it in the same exact place, hopefully. Once you see it, hold it. This will give you this kind of quick options right here, but we also have the details, which will take us to the settings. Here we can customize how the mode will function. Now, I will only be touching upon a couple of the options in here that I find more important, and starting off, the first one would be for how long, which is a very good option for people that tend to use Do Not Disturb mode on random occasions. I recommend selecting it on a timer and maybe make it a little bit longer than 1 hour. I personally find the 4 hour to be the best option, as it will cover whatever needs I will have for it when I enable it, and probably then some. And in that meantime, when I forget about this mode, forget to turn it off, after like probably an hour or two of running on top of what I needed it for, it will automatically turn off. So I don't need to worry about the mode now running indefinitely in the background when I forget about it. Now moving a little bit down, we have schedule. There's always pre-made one, which is the sleeping one. You can enable it if you want to, you can also edit it, but you can also add new ones. So in there, you can select each day of the week and also start and end time. Now below that, we have calls and messages, and here you can select who can call you or message you, with calls having the additional option of allowing calls to go through if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period. A good option to have in terms of emergencies where people usually spam call you. And that's really the only things that I'm going to talk about right here. Obviously, you can go over the rest of these settings right here and customize them to fit your exact needs, but I just want to talk about the more important ones. Once everything is set, you can close this and find a toggle and simply tap on it. Now, if you're planning to use the Do Not Disturb mode on a schedule, then all you would need to do is go into details and just make sure that the schedule itself is enabled like this. So, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.